Hey guys, in this video, WeChat for beginners in 2026. 10 things you should set up before you do anything else. If you first start adding contacts and joining groups or using WeChat for payment, take a few minutes to set up your account properly. These settings can make your account easier to recover and help you protect your privacy. So, hey guys, here, first thing you need to do is always add and verify your phone number. Click on me, settings, then click on account and security. Always add what do you call this, always add your number right there, phone, add your number, and create a strong password. Always create a strong password, guys. As you can see, we just need to create ourselves a strong password. WeChat password person, that just create a strong password. And third thing is set up account security. Let's go in settings and account security. Setting this up will help you much a lot. Fourth thing is review your privacy right here. Login device, emerging contacts, so on and so forth. And fifth thing is set your moments visibility. For example, your moments visibility, just set it right here. And sixth thing is set up your profile correctly, guys. Set up your profile by pressing on that right there. Click on your profile photo. Seventh thing is set up chat background or chat backups or migration. It's going right here, settings, then chats, then there you go. You manage chat history. And 8 is check notification settings, guys. Always notification settings, check it, whatever you don't want and what you want. And 9th is set up WeChat Pay only if needed. And the 10th is learn where help and account recovery are. You just click on settings right here. There you go, about help and feedback right there, since you might need that if ever there's a problem. But there you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Enjoyed the fun. Of course, you can subscribe to the watch guys. Have the answer as soon as possible, and thank you guys.